They say that on 15th century European battlefields, soldiers sometimes used stone cannonballs instead of cast iron shot because stone could deliver similar impact yet would shatter on hitting the target, preventing the enemy from reusing the projectile. Could stone really serve as an effective cannonball for warfare? To test the claim, the team borrowed a period cannon, an Omosi bombard, from a museum. Because firing experimental charges could damage the historic barrel, they decided to first test with cast iron shot in the museum piece to measure normal muzzle velocity. After that, they planned to switch to a homemade, shortened test barrel and adjust the powder charge so the smaller two would launch projectiles at the same speed. For safety, they erected blast-proof walls at the test range and placed water barrels downrange to absorb the impact. With preparations complete, Kelly pressed the firing button. High-speed camera analysis showed that, with a standard powder charge, the Omosi bombard accelerated a cast iron shot to about 1,200 feet per second. Next, they loaded cast iron shot into the homemade mini barrel. Because the test tube was much shorter, they increased the powder charge, but with a tremendous bang, the shot veered off course. This was a dangerous result and a good reminder: don't try this at home. Since the risky mini barrel approach wasn't reliable, they had to continue testing with the museum Omosi bombard. Tori also consulted a geology expert who identified 3 types of stone likely used for historical shot: sandstone, limestone, and granite. The big question now was which of these stone types, if any, could match the destructive power of cast iron shot and reliably shatter on impact.